Welcome. This is Waec year 2018 past question. Question number 30 says, which of the following is not a component of marketing mix? Marketing mix, that is mixed market. Which of this is not part of mixed market or features? When we talk of component, the word component simply means feature, which is not a feature of mixed market. A price, B place, C population, D product. The component that is not a feature of mixed market or marketing mix is option C, which is population. This means that there is no limit. There is no limit to the number of entry and exist in the market. That is, population here means people, and the people I refer here means sellers and buyers. So there is no number or limitation to it. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.